Okay, so please take these notes. When outliers are removed, well, first, when a high outlier is removed, the mean decreases, and when a low outlier is removed, the mean increases. Let's explore one of these situations in this example, example 2. The following data shows the number of books read over the summer. So, whoa, we have a lot of students that read 0. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 students read one book, etc., etc. So before we take into consideration this scenario, let's just find the mean, median, and mode, beginning with the mean. And here's my setup for calculating the mean. I'm going to get 0 times 10, and I'm going to add that to 1 times 7 plus 2 times 3, plus 3 times 2 plus 4 times 1, all the way to 10 times 3. And then I'm going to divide this by the number of dots here. So here I have 26 students that completed this survey. Let's go ahead and compute the numerator. 0 times 10, that's going to give us 0. 1 times 7, that's 7. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 2 is also 6. 4 times 1 is 4. And then 10 times 3 is 30. All of this is getting divided by 26. Computing this numerator, I'm getting a total of 53. And then if we divide that by 26, we're going to get an approximation of 2. Or here, I rounded to the nearest hundredth, so 2.04. Let's calculate the median now. And here I've already started here. Now here, once we kind of corner it to one value, we don't really need to keep on crossing stuff out, because we know that the median is going to be just here. It's going to be 1. If you want, you can continue. So cross 1 out here, cross 1 out here, here. If you're just concerned, just do the whole thing. So here we have 1 plus 1, and then 1 plus 1 divided by 2. You see you get 1 as expected here, so the median is 1. So we have a mean of 2.04, a median of 1. And to calculate the mode, we just need to get the highest peak, which is 0. So the mode is 0. Wow. A lot of people didn't read anything. Now let's take into consideration this scenario right here. If we remove the 3 people who read 10 books from our data, how would it affect our mean, our median, and our mode? So let's start attacking this question. So we gotta remove these 3 values here. So we remove this outlier of 10. Well, here it was 3 students. So now how is this going to affect our data? Well, here's what we're going to do. We technically erased this part right here. Okay, so we got rid of 3 red dots here. So we're going to have to subtract the 26 by 3. So now we're going to compute this part right here and see what happens. And we should expect to get to the mean to decrease, because we're removing a high outlier. So let's see what happens. Here is our new computation, taking this into consideration. And 26 minus 3, that's going to bring us down to 23. So let's compute this quickly. So 0 times 10 is still 0, plus 7 plus 6 plus 3 times 2 is 6, and then plus 4 times 1, that's 4. We're going to divide that all by 23. And now let's compute the numerator here, and I'm getting a value of 23. So 23 over 23, that's going to give us 1. Before I finish this example, if you wanted to work a little bit smarter instead of harder, here you could have just subtracted this by 30, right? Because we removed 30. 10 times 3, that's what we removed. So 53 minus 30, that's 23. But again, if you're just want to be super technical, just do it again. So 23 over 23, that's 1, so that's our new mean. So let's record that. And now let's get the median and the mode. So let's go ahead and get the median. So here we can begin to cross out a value on the left, cross out a value on the right. Let's do it kind of fast here. So here, let's corner it to a value. And so let's keep going, but it's already looking like it's going to be 1 again. So yep, here we have the same, well, the median is in 1, so we can do 1 plus 1 divided by 2, we're going to get 1 again. So the median is 1. And then the mode, well, the mode is still 0. Right here, that has the highest peak, that didn't change. So median is 1, mode is 0. The only thing that changed here was the mean. And just as we expected, the mean did decrease because we removed high outliers here. Alright, so try the next set of examples, and I'll see you next time.